Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Your Excellency, Deputy Governor of Lagos State, leaders of the Congress, leaders of civil society organizations, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Our mission today is simple and straightforward. We are here to tell the government, the federal government through the Lagos State government, that ours is not a poor country.
Never.
Ours is a very rich country with abundant natural resources and abundant capital development. We are therefore here to let the government know that there is no way SAP can be rebranded.
Never.
There is no way the IMF and World Bank can help Nigeria.
No way.
The implementation of neoliberal policies are going to further pauperize the Nigerian people and increase poverty in Nigeria. Sir, for the people in the National Assembly, it is unacceptable to vote 70 billion.
Yes, sir.
Please, for the facelift of the National Assembly. But it's a lie. Because the National Assembly complex is currently being renovated with 37 billion naira. So, if you add, please, I'll round up now. Please, the 70 billion naira added with 40 billion naira for acquisition of exotic car. That is 110 billion naira. If you divide 110 billion naira by 360 constituency, federal constituency, 305 million will go to every constituency. We are therefore asking the National Assembly people, if you want to make sacrifice on behalf of the Nigerian people, put that money in an account so that your constituency can have 305 million naira per constituency. And we must start with Lagos State. We must start with Lagos State. So when we go back, we must go to our constituencies. Insist on a meeting of constituency with senators and House of Rep members and make your demand. Secondly, the IOCs are owing Nigeria $66 billion, $62 billion, international oil companies. Are you with me? Therefore, if you collect that money, and I've submitted a letter to the government that we can collect $200 billion. If the Lagos State government is ready to work with us, we can make this money available to the government. And that will be the contribution of workers in Lagos State to the ongoing development of the country. If we have $200 billion, we just remove $74 billion owed by Nigeria. And we shall have enough money for development. Since I came out with those figures, nobody, no agency of government has challenged me. I'm therefore telling the government in Abuja, please, democracy is under threat in West Africa. Let us consolidate our own democracy by taking care of the masses. Do you understand me? Let the masses breathe. We shall take our country back. And the only way to do that is to get united. To demand from the government and agencies of the government money owed our country. If you get the money, you don't need to punish our people. And for federal government, sir, $1.5 billion was voted for repair of Port Harcourt refinery. $1.4 billion for repair of Warri and Kaduna refinery. $2.7 billion was earmarked for Dangote refinery. Oh yes, oh yes. We are therefore asking, sir, what has happened to this refinery? Great Nigerian people. And thank you for your kind attention, Mr. Doctor.
Thank you.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.